Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your default email address book in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures all your contacts and settings are properly synchronized and ready to work with. Now that everything's loaded, let's navigate to where you can manage your address books. Look at the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find your main navigation menu. You'll see 4 different icons displayed there. Click on the icon that shows 2 people. This is your contacts menu and it's where all your saved contacts and address books are stored. Clicking this will take you into the contacts view where you can manage everything related to your email addresses and contact information. Once your contacts menu has opened, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. Look for a section labeled Find. This section contains several tools for locating and managing contacts. Within this Find section, you'll see a button labeled Address Book. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window displaying your address book, showing all the different address books you have access to in Outlook. Now here's where you'll actually change the default setting. In the address book window that just appeared, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. When you click this, 2 additional options will appear in a drop-down menu. From these options, click on Options. This opens the address book options window where you can customize how Outlook handles your contact lists. In the address book options window, look at the bottom part of the screen. You'll notice a setting that currently shows something like choose automatically or a similar default option. This is the setting that determines which address book Outlook uses by default when you compose new emails or search for contacts. Click on the drop-down menu next to this setting and you'll see a list of all the available address books you can use. These might include your main contacts, company directories, or other custom address books you've created. Simply select the one you want to set as your default email address book from this list, then click OK to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default email address book in Outlook, which means the system will now prioritize the address book you selected whenever you search for contacts or compose emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.